And this Papa Love TV official. Papa Love TV official. Papa Love TV official. Papa Loves TV official. Hoo-ha! Subscribe and click the bell.
And this is Papa Loves.
1, 2, 3. 1.
Eto na guys. And this Papa Loves. Yeah, happy birthday. Pa. Video po ito, video. Kaway. Yun o guys, happy birthday guys. Sarap ng food o. Yun o, kain na guys, para sa mga kapatid. Ayan. Kain na. Uy, nanay ko yun o, ang ganda o. Parang teenager. Ayan guys, video yan, video. Papa Loves. Woo! God bless everyone. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan o. Ayan, mga press natin. Blessed birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan. Uy, may soup pa. Diba? May soup. Ayan o. Ayan o. Ay, talagang ano, diet? Diet. Nanay, hi ka nanay o. Nay. Nanay Bibing. Hi. Ayan. Paswil. Pastora April. Hi. Ayan sila, may birthday. Pas April, hi ka naman, hi. Hindi namin kinakain guys. Oh.
Daming vlogger dito.
Guys, tao ba to? Hindi kinakain. Diyos ko. Grabe. Ayan guys. Guys. Nalaglag yung 500, nalaglag.
Hindi naman ay madumi na yan.
Yan. Ayan. Hey. Ayan ha. Okay. Hey guys. Kain na po. Kain na po. May soup. Ano? Ano nangyari sa plato ko? Pwede Gara!
Binigay ni Papa.
Daming kanin!
Pero may kulang po dyan. Ito po.
Meron kulang.
Sino po wala?
Chowking meal pala yan.
Sino po wala? Nicole.
Pang-hotel.
Nicole.
Ah,
Nicole, meron ka na?
ayun o. Shout Nakakagulo mga children. Ayan guys. Ha? Soup. Suka. Ah.
Wala, di plastic. Release ng iPhone 14, di ba?
Tatak mo na.
Kumain ka na.
Ayoko nang kumain.
Ah. Kuya, ito nga pala ipapakilala ko sa iyo, kuya. Si Pastor.
Hindi ko pwede pakilala.
Ay, hindi daw sabi ni Pastor Will. Ayun, tatay.
Kumain na kayo, kumain na kayo.
Ayan o, di ba? Tinan nyo naman pa yung kinakain. Pantao ba yan?
Hindi. Kaya niya. Kala mo lang hindi kaya niya.
Kala mo lang.
Gata.
Hindi niya kaya.
Ah,
Ano? Dito ka na.
nagkakagulo yung mga children. Ah, na lang. So, ayan guys.
Koreano dyan.
Ah, manyaman na yan. Manyaman.
Sa Korean eh. Ano sa'yo?
Ayan na guys. Ang dami ko kanin, grabe oh. Hi guys. We're praising the Lord to the Most High. Ayan.
Halika, picture muna tayo.
Ayan.
Yan.
Ala pa yung order. Tagal naman ang order.
Kasama, kailangan po talaga sakripisyo, pangunawa. Kasi doon po kayo talaga titibay yung pagsasama. So, ang ano ko lang po yan, yung kailangan maging matatag po kayo sa kahit anong dumating. Kasi kami po, at saka isa pong inano ko yung yung sa apo ko po, na nasaktan ako nung, kasi yung anak ko, parang nagkahiwalay sila, pero hindi sila kasal. Doon ko po naramdaman yung, ang sakit na, parang broken hearted na,
Pero ako unang
broken
umiyak
family. Kaya nung naisip ko na, parang tama na din yung decision ko na,
Ako na lang yung deserve.
na yung buo pa rin kami. Opo, ayoko iparana sa mga anak ko, sa mga apo ko. Yung, kasi mahirap po ang broken family. Ang unang naapektuhan po is yung mga bata.
Happy. Hawaiian ang gusto ko, Hawaiian. Ayun, Hawaiian. Ay, palit. Hawaiian, please. Hawaiian. Ay, first honor ako. Give ba? Ayan na. Picture. Picture. One, two. Thanks. Okay, video pala, hindi picture. Ayan o, wow. Yummy. Kaya na guys. Yan. Picture. One, two. First couple pass. First honor. Yeah. Ayan. Happy birthday. Hindi. Isa pa. Yung pinaka...
Happy birthday to you!
Pahaban. Happy birthday to you. Ganun. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Right. Kaya na. Tapos na.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
So ayun guys, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. Inunbox na kanina kasi ginawa ni Mama Labs ang aking relo. So ayun guys. Ito siya guys. Tapos ito guys yung relo niya. Ayan guys. Bali tatlo yung kanyang bracelet. Yan, may itim, may brown, at mayroong silver gray color guys. Ang ganda guys, grabe. Oh. Ay, 40 cloud. Wow. Thank you, Mama Labs. I love it. Ayan, guys. Thank you po. Advanced birthday celebration daw tayo. Ayan. Thank you, Mama Labs. I love it. Asan nyo umiikot? Bakit naiba yata?
Sa'yo.
Ang galing nga. Ay, set mo nga. Alin? Tapos music. No playing.
Kasi yan.
Ito yung kanyang charger. Charge natin Ayan. Charge na. Wala mo na charge na eh. Charge na pa yun. Ayan. Ayun pala yan. Charge siya. Yes. Ayan. Thank you very very much. Ay, wala pa siya. Thank you, Mama Labs.
Tama na rin po kayo. Okay. Before we
Makakata ko ng happy. Happy birthday to you.
Invite is to Yaya, please.
Sige, pa-after na lang. After.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday, kuya. I love you.
Amen. Sige, blow na, blow. 1, 2. Wala yung mga blower, ah. Okay, good. Huwag mo na tawagin.
Ayan. Kuya, para sa'yo yung cake na yan. Happy birthday. I love you, kuya.
Ayan.
Yan ba yan?
Okay, zoom in mo. Alright, sige.
Joy na memories.
Walang audio.
Parang umuwi. Puro pagkain niya na ba? Yan, thank you. Thank you for the memories of family. God bless.
Ganyan po, tinataan namin ng mga kapatid namin na dumaranas ng mga challenges sa buhay, mga karamdaman, mga pagsubok sa relasyon, at even sa mga pinansyal na pangangailangan, mga material, Lord. Samahan niyo po, Panginoon, ang bawat isa. Kayo po ang maging ilaw namin sa mundo ito, Panginoon. Kayo po ang maging tamlaw namin sa bawat challenges o mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. Lord, sa iyo namin maipaas ito, Panginoon. At yan po ang ma-even ang mga programa ng ang simbahan ito na yung simbahan ng T-Circle.
Aesthetics. Now with the Ruby 14, they are collaborating with Van and Olsen, and apparently they are a big deal in the design world, and they combine this with a clean and seamless user experience, and the result is a very modern and fresh take on just what might be the biggest.
So yun guys, mag-unboxing tayo na 14 Pro Plus Realme. Bigay ni Mama Labs. Asay sa'yo. Ayan. Pakita mo yung likod. Ayan. Tagalin mo yun. Ano? Sa kanya is kulay white. Yung ano siya ng blue. Pag nag-hit yung 16 degrees. Nag-iiba yung kulay na sa kanya. Ito naman sa akin. Unboxing natin guys. Ay, sorry guys. Ayan. Ating box. Ano? Sundot.
1 hour. Now, let's talk pros and cons. I'll be honest, hindi masyado ako nahirapan when it comes to using this device. Realme was one of the very first Symbian na nireview ko when I was still starting. Sobrang ganda ng smartphone nila at the same time, competitive yung price point nila simula nung mag-uumpisa ako. So yes, I would say they were able to establish their brand and their positioning. But of course, a lot has changed. If I were to
Make it real, sabi niya.
for the Realme 14 Pro Plus, I think it's a well-rounded
Realme.
smartphone kung hindi software ang priority niyo when it comes to buying your next smartphone. Again, guys, this category kasi, lalo na yung kung 70,000 pesos smartphone, ang dami. Maybe would be 50.
Meron siyang
Meron tayong Samsung CA Pro, meron tayong Samsung Galaxy
charger niya.
6, tapos sinabayan pa ng bagong Realme 14 Pro Plus.
Yan, kalaki ng charger niya. Parang sa Oppo din, ah.
At malilito ka talaga. Each of
Ah,
these
hindi.
smartphones
Iba.
I mentioned, including this, has
Malaki yung
its own
charger
specs
niya,
and
guys.
features. However, whatever you choose between these things, I doubt that you will regret it. You just have to look for that phone you're looking for that you will optimize with. If you want a cleaner software and distinctive design, then go for the Note 14 Pro. But then if you are not looking for the best camera quality, but you want the best performance, go for the Poco F7 Ultra. Konting kemot na lang, makakabili ka na ng phone na to to the budget that you have. But then if you want a longer battery life, a durable device, and a really good telephoto lens with the
Black ba? O gray? Black eh.
go for the Realme 14 Pro Plus.
Suede gray. Suede gray. Suede gray ang color, guys. Suede gray.
ابدأ يومك صح مع خبز لوزين. صباح الإنجازات والنجاحات الكبيرة. خبز لوزين البن فطور كله قمح ونخالة. لكل قطعة حكاية. This year, there are 4 exciting new iPhone
Ang hirap tanggalin.
including a brand new
Ayan.
addition joining the lineup. There's the new iPhone
Ayan.
17, the groundbreaking iPhone Air, a completely new member to the iPhone family, and finally, iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone 17 comes in sage, mist blue, white, black, and lavender. iPhone Air comes in light gold, cloud white, space black, and sky.
Pag-open mo. Yan, guys. Ang ating unboxing. Realme powered by Android. Ang kagandahan nito, guys, bago na siya, IP69. AI na siya, guys. May pang AI na tayo. Hello, sabi niya. Hello. Bago. Up. Open. Next. Ano ba? Select region. Poland. Scan the QR code. Skip. Yan na, guys. Thank you kay Mama Labs. Binili ako na naman ako ng cellphone. Dami ko ng cellphone. May iPhone 17 pa ako, di ba? Ayan. God bless everyone.
I'm walking alone See, the only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.